Hey everyone! If you enjoy customizing your terminal or just want a fast, smooth experience, let's quickly talk about Kitty and WezTerm, two excellent terminal applications. First is Kitty. It's been around for a while and is GPU powered, which means it renders everything quickly and beautifully. One great feature is its built-in layout system. You can split panes right inside Kitty without needing tmux. It's highly customizable, though setup can feel a bit technical if you're new to tweaking terminals. Next is WezTerm. It strikes a nice balance between features and stability. It's super customizable, cross-platform, and packed with useful features like ligature support, tabs, and SSH multiplexing. Written in Rust, it runs very efficiently. It's a great choice if you want something modern but dependable. So, in short, Kitty is fast and flexible, and WezTerm is like the versatile multi-tool of terminals. Try them out and see which fits your workflow best.